Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to use one-handed mode on Samsung Galaxy M11 smartphone. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. One-handed mode is an awesome feature that helps you use Samsung Galaxy M11 with one hand. After activating it, you will be able to shrink your display in a matter of minutes, whenever you need to. To begin, open the Settings application. Scroll down and find Advanced Features. Tap on it. Here you should find One-handed mode. Tap on it. Now toggle that button to enable it. That's it. The one-handed mode is enabled. There are two options. The first option allows you to shrink your display by swiping diagonally up from one of the lower corners of your screen. The second option lets you enable the same function by double-tapping the home button. You can move the screen left or right using the arrow button. In order to go back to the regular display, tap on anywhere on the black area. If you are using Big Display Mobile, this one-handed mode will be very useful to you. So in this way, you can use one-handed mode on Samsung Galaxy M11 smartphone. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.